Hello! Once again, this is about our verse for the day. We can find it at 2 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 7. Each of you should give whatever you have decided. You shouldn't feel sorry that you gave or feel forced to give, since God loves a cheerful giver. This verse encourages us to give wholeheartedly, willfully, since God our Father loves seeing His children wholeheartedly giving, willfully giving to their fellows who are in need. Maybe for us, it is a challenge to give if we ourselves are in need or our resources are limited, not sufficient enough to have extra for others. That's why the more that we are encouraged to learn to condition ourselves about giving. That way, whenever this situation needs our help, wherever we are, whoever is in need, we are able to extend some help. There are many ways wherein we can extend ourselves, not only to material things, but even through our services. In small things, in simple ways, we can give something to our fellows. We should remember whatever we did to our fellow men, we did it for God. So, thank you for watching. May we learn the art of giving wholeheartedly. Thank you.